Hey guys, I'm Jacqueline.
And I'm Marcella.
And we're about to watch episode 19 of season 6 of Teen Wolf. So,
we're
pretty sure Derek's supposed to come back in this one.
I think the ending of this one's gonna get crazy, so we're excited.
I'm hoping to see Styles. I don't know if we're gonna,
yeah,
but
I don't know.
Let's watch it!
You believe in werewolves. I believe in Deucalion.
Derek.
Please no. Let me go. Say it. No. Wolf man. So you know what I can do? Why are you hunting werewolves? Because of you. He wants you. He doesn't care about the others, he only wants you. Who wants me? They all said the same thing. Gerard. I need to find Deucalion.
Hell yeah, you do!
He turned into a wolf and disappeared into the fall. He drove a car. The Lobo Someone drives no car. Trust me. He drove.
Oh, I'm so shook.
Oh my god, I missed him so much.
So much! Oh. Oh my god, we're gonna see him drive the car. Yes! Teen Wolf's doing it right at the beginning of this episode.
Yes, Derek, go. He's so badass.
Yes!
Look at him.
I missed him so much.
There were 12 bodies. Interpol put out a red alert for Deucalion. Who would believe me if I tried to tell them the truth? You know? That's where all this started. And where it's all gonna end.
Oh!
Take a good look. We keep that current of electricity coursing through him because otherwise he'd rip through his bindings. Because otherwise he'd break
Oh, this
free
is awful.
It's
and kill
horrible.
us.
Oh.
You.
The people who came before us used arrows and crossbows to fight them. This is all they had to protect themselves.
Where's
A
Jackson?
sliver of wood. Well, he has claws that can cut into bone and fangs to tear us apart.
He's not a zoo animal. What is wrong with you?
Can only be described as extraordinary.
But they're not bad.
Yeah, no, this is disgusting.
It's their turn to be afraid.
This is so ridiculous.
So ridiculous. Is that Lydia? Look, there's a spot in bed for her.
Their turn to hide.
So, like, she left a spot for Styles. Oh my god, Deucalion.
Oh my god.
Oh. Yeah, where is Jackson?
He's gonna kill her?
No. No. No.
Where is he?
More like wear styles.
What are you doing here?
Looking for Malia. What are you doing here?
Much of a guy? Obviously.
Why?
Or are you looking for Malia?
Parental concern. Why didn't you just call Scott?
Why didn't you call Malia?
We're not.
They have such an
we're not
awkward
getting very
path.
far.
I can't reach him.
Well, I can't reach her or anyone. There's reports that several cell phone towers in the area are down.
Okay. It's definitely cause for concern.
Peter enters at Scott's house too. Everybody has a key.
They're cutting us off from the outside,
Hiding from each other.
which likely means that they've already started amassing troops on their side.
Then we better find ours.
So interesting.
Right?
I feel like this is gonna be really hot right now. Something like gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Yes!
I should probably go.
An orientation and mobility specialist has to practice blindfolded with a white cane for at least 120 hours before becoming certified.
So he's gonna be like his Yoda? He's gonna like teach him how to fight blind?
Look, we know the odds are bad. But Gerard's got an army. There's a creature that can scare ordinary people into becoming killers.
A creature now capable of killing you with just a look. You saw them, didn't you?
We saw people turn to stone.
So why aren't all of you running for your lives?
Because we don't run.
Now that sounds like an outside. Let's get started. You're dead.
I get it. It's gonna be a lot harder than I thought.
Impossible.
And we'll start with echolocation.
Sound.
And I'll show you how to use thermoception.
Heat.
Equilibrioception.
Balance.
And proprioception.
Pressure.
This is what I'm living for right now.
Honestly.
This is
But I also
Honestly.
don't think I want to see Beacon Hills burned to the ground.
Ask me to come back.
How about admitting with great difficulty that we need you?
Sounds more like an Argent.
Protecting Beacon Hills sounds more like a hail.
If I go back, it's not for Beacon Hills. And there's something I gotta take care of first.
What did you get at?
Whoever murdered that pack in Brazil, they were looking for this. Gotta make sure they never find it.
Get rid of it.
You know, it's not just a poison.
Maybe they want it because it's an antidote.
Is that why Gerard wants it?
That sounds like you already know the answer.
So you want me to help you stop him when you're the one who brought him back?
Gerard knew more about the beast than any of us. So like it or not, he was the ally we needed at the time. But you're the one we need right now.
We need you, Derek. Derek, come back.
it's the FBI! The FBI! The FBI! Oh my god, these people know Styles! Fuck. What?
Hey, handsome. Kiss me.
Me?
Feeling so superior right now.
Same, Malaya. I go crazy.
Yeah, I'd freak out.
How dead are we now?
Quite.
What two words?
Where's Jackson?
That is disturbing on multiple levels.
Thank
What
you.
else?
Seriously?
Lydia, don't hold back on me. I never held back on you.
What did she say?
Turned to stone.
What?
Wait, what?
I was in a storage container. It was steel. There was a blue wall.
This is what she's seeing. Is this what's gonna happen?
I hope not.
She's seeing everybody turn to stone.
Yeah.
Is she gonna see Styles?
Oh,
God.
I saw everyone, even Derek and Ethan. All of you turned to stone.
Do you
But
ever see anything remotely
she-
optimistic?
It's optimistic if you prevent it.
she didn't see Styles? Is it because he's not here? That's why she didn't see him?
Yeah.
No, but
I was
Derek's. She doesn't know Derek's here. Why'd she see Derek?
You knew how to find Scott.
This is insane. Is she gonna mention Styles? Because she works with him then.
I thought it was my smile.
Where's the rest?
Why? It's not enough to save Gerard? You really think it's gonna make a difference with him? You're what he hunts, Kate.
I know that you can heal from 1 or 2 shots, but a direct hit to the head, I don't think so.
Oh, Chris Sargent! Oh!
Oh my god, I'm dying.
He's gonna have any love left over for you.
You're the one looking for a father to love him, Chris. All I want is some good old-fashioned revenge. This wolfsbane is going in a bullet. A bullet for Scott McCall.
No, it's not. You're funny. He receives Scott call.
He's gonna save Scott. He's gonna save Scott. He's not gonna let that happen. Oh god.
Oh my gosh.
Defend yourself.
Oh, Scott doesn't want to hit her.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry. Hit him again. I didn't think it was possible, but I'm actually starting to wish I was blind again. Is give people permission to act on whatever awful truth lies within them.
I can't believe that.
I don't want it.
Neither do I.
Lose the blindfold, Scott.
It's still so weird to me that Deucalion's
Close your
good.
eyes.
Yeah.
We're going to try this again. But this time, I'm not going to hold back. I'm going to come at you for real. You asked me here because you think I know how to fight? I don't. I know how to kill people.
Oh no.
Alpha against alpha.
Oh my gosh.
just survived this.
Oh.
None of us are gonna survive this.
What? What are you guys doing here? They're coming. Monroe and Moore, and they have heavy firepower.
Did he just die?
Did they just kill Deucalion, like, for real?
Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I hate her so much.
Of course it's gonna end like that.
It's really started, hasn't it?
It's no lot more. You think you do this without me, did you?
Every time.
That episode was really good. Yeah, that was so much better than 18.
So much better, I feel like, than
a lot of the
this
episodes this
episode.
season.
Yeah. Oh my god. So much to talk about. Oh
Derek,
god.
Derek and Kate.
And
Oh my
Kate-
gosh.
and
Chris Argent. Perfect. Those scenes
Yes.
were wonderful.
That is what
thank
we've
you
been
so
missing.
much. That was Teen Wolf. That was just
Teen Wolf.
wonderfully done. And I enjoyed the scenes with Scott, Milan, Deucalion. I liked that he was trying to teach him.
Yeah, and at the end, even though he did die, it was in they gave him a redemption arc in some way, because
Yeah.
he says to him, he goes, "You might actually survive this," like, impressed by him.
Yeah.
And I really love that, because Deucalion was such a vital part of Scott's life.
It's annoying the way that he went out, though.
I know,
like,
by the stupid hunter, like, seriously.
I would have liked
hate
it better
Monroe
if, like,
so
Gerard
much.
had killed him.
It would have been more of like that punch if it was Gerard that did it.
I think so too.
But I
mean,
hate Monroe so much.
Yeah.
She's just, like, really annoying.
So annoying. And then the ending with her, like, shooting the gun off, like... Is Ethan dead?
Yeah, what
We
happened
left
to
Ethan, and we don't know if he's dead. I don't think he is, though, because they didn't show it, but I don't know.
And we don't know where Jackson is either.
Jackson, I'm assuming... Jackson's gonna come in next episode. But...
Yeah, which is... It's starting to add up, because Styles is coming right at the very beginning. He's gonna save
he's
Scott.
gonna come at the very beginning, and
it's gonna take place as soon as right after they kill Deucalion, and then that's why it's raining too. That's the rain scene that everybody was freaking about on Twitter when they were filming it, and that's probably when he's gonna hug Lydia. Like, they're gonna kiss her and hello. Like, they're gonna greet each other.
They better kiss, because the word on the street is that Stydia is not.
I don't believe that at all. I don't believe it. I don't believe anything I hear on the internet, for real.
We haven't seen much of the spoilers, but we don't listen to any of them, because
I don't believe in them. They're in one ear, not the
I
other.
don't believe things until I actually see them. Like,
exactly.
Because a lot of people, like, we could go around and spread rumors. Like, you could go around and spread rumors on Twitter. Anybody could do it and say that they heard it somewhere, or that they have serious proof, and a lot of time that proof isn't real.
I can tell you right now that we've been emailing Jeff Davis, and he told us that the end scene of the entire show is gonna be Styles and Lydia at the altar getting married.
Oh yeah, because people will believe you. We could just tell you.
Yeah,
very bad lie like that.
But
yeah, this episode was so wonderful,
so good. I loved so many scenes. I loved the scene with Derek and Kate, and how Chris Argent, like, Kate's like, "Oh, revenge! I'm gonna kill Scott McCall," and that's what really drives Derek to
be like, "I'm going and saving Scott McCall,"
and
that's my boy.
I love that they said that he didn't have a phone, so that kind of made sense of, like, why we have not gotten in touch with Derek.
Yeah, I love the plot twist, so that Kate works for the FBI.
Yeah, why is she in the same field as Styles? Have they run into each other? Like, what is he gonna say when he sees the FBI jacket on her?
So Derek is going to run into Styles?
I don't know, something's gonna happen where Styles knows that he's wanted. So he's gonna go...
Styles is probably gonna go end up saving him somehow. Maybe he's gonna get into trouble, or like...
Maybe.
Styles has to get at some point, Styles has to get the Jeep.
That's what's... Oh, maybe he goes to Scott's house and he gets it? Or no, because Scott is pulled up there with him and Malaya. So maybe...
Oh my gosh,
imagine,
guys, imagine if he, like, gets in the Jeep and he's like, "I've missed you."
We're not gonna get that. But
could you just like let me like
I think that it's gonna start off with him. It looks like he's gonna run someone over and save Scott, and that's gonna absolutely destroy us. And so that's gonna happen. And then I think that
I really hope, guys, that we're getting like honestly, we need Stadia scenes.
And then we're gonna find Jackson, obviously, because they're like, oh, where's Jackson? We still haven't gotten clear on that. And that's gonna be the, oh wow, so Lydia's first time seeing Jackson is gonna be with Styles.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yes, I can't wait for that. It's gonna be so good.
I can't wait for that scene too.
Oh my god, so much to get excited about. But this is it.
This is the last episode. We're super sad that next week is the last episode. I can't even talk about it because I'll start crying. It's just
this is the last.
It's going to be so emotional, guys. We are just. I can't believe it hasn't sunk in yet.
It hasn't. I don't think it's gonna sink in until it doesn't come back.
Yeah.
But this is our last week with you guys to speculate and to predict what we think is gonna happen.
Guys, it's the last time to predict. And yeah, leave your predictions down below. And please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And we're gonna get really emotional if we don't say goodbye right now.
I know. Follow us on Twitter. We are at City of the Fields, and that's also our Snapchat.
Yeah, come cry with us on there. We'll see you next week for the last time for Teen Wolf. I mean, we're still gonna do videos. We're still gonna do like Stadia reactions.
We still have to finish our Stadia reaction.
We're gonna go back and rewatch Teen Wolf, honestly.
Yeah, we have to finish our Stadia reaction.
No, we can't get that. We have one more episode. This is happening.
It's okay.
Styles is coming back.
Styles is back. We're gonna get Stadia
be okay.
again. It'll be alright, guys.
Alright, guys. So we'll see you next week. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.